Hello, my wonderful friends, my wonderful people. This is Hallelujah, Hallelujah TV. I want to eat this delicious meal. As you can see, it's too many. Just on the comment section, tell me if I can finish this food as I start it. You are blessed. Let's go there. Let me rush it. So minimalistic.
If you are sweet, then you are going to conclude. Must you stand there? What about this piece of here? Obi aso you are one. Ja mo je na aso.
No drinking water. Hey guys, I'm through. You see it? I tried. Not easy at all. The food was so very delicious. Yes, that is the reason why I could be able to finish it. If not for that, so sweet. So sweet. Let me know at the comment section how you feel. Let me know about it. God bless you guys. You are blessed. Alright, let's call it a day. Take good care of yourself. We'll see you again. Please like and subscribe to my channel.